Here we go. We're back on it, guys. We're back on it. Ladies, gentlemen and ladies, here we go. I've pretty much finished at that main house at North Ireland. So, can't go that way. Can I go this way? Don't find out. And I'm off to a little flaw. I say a little flaw. Compared to the last job I've just finished, where I've been the best part of 10 weeks. In fact, no, I've been longer, haven't I? On and off. January, February, March, April. 16th of April I started. We're now into July. So I've been on and off. I've been 10 weeks, 3 months nearly. Yeah. On and off, 8-10 weeks. Which I thoroughly enjoyed. I did have to go back for about 2 hours last week to put a little mosaic splashback on for just on the sink. And I did begrudge it. They're a lovely couple. They're semi-retired. Well, no, they are retired, but he's landed obviously took early retirement because of the profession it was in, which I can't really tell you. And he's got another job, similar-ish to what we was doing. So good on him. And it's another lovely day, slightly cooler up here in the heart of the Pennines. A little bit cooler, but it's not a problem. It's still lovely. It's still lovely even when it snows and it's wet and it's windy. It's just, I mean, look, there's trees and it's not especially built up. It's just a lovely place to be. I've said it before and I'm going to say it again, you don't have to go very far around here to see some wonderful scenery and some wonderful country. If I could try and find a way, which I will do, I'm going to start tinkering with software and incorporate the footage from the 2 cameras I've got. But sometimes it all just like gets a little bit on top, doesn't it? You think, flipping no. I'm just getting used to this particular bit of software. I'm actually just getting used to using something called GIMP. It's like a stripped down version of Photoshop. It's pretty good actually. I've done a few thumbnails with it. You can put all sorts of different layers, but you can put bits around your layers and it just enhances certain. There's better colours and slightly better variations with it. That's what I understand it to be so far. So GIMP, yeah, sounds a bit dodgy, doesn't it? It's a little like a little, I don't know, looks like a rodent with a paintbrush stuck out of his mouth. I should have gone down there. Not to worry. Go on here. He's going that way and I'm going this way. Hello, baby. Instead of following the normal traffic route, I'm going to go a slightly scenic route. And it isn't necessarily any quicker, it's just a nicer drive. You know, this is what I'm saying about. Nicer drive. Now then, hot designer tiles, really? Customer entrance, hot designer tiles. I might nib and have a look. I tend to stick to the main supplier I've always used. Dickie's Tiles of Arkham King Cross, www.dickiestyles.co.uk. Yeah, probably the best tile shop in the area. Couldn't agree more.